Ladies and gentlemen, staying productive in this day and age is essential. Having an app that is dedicated to helping you be more productive is even more essential. Today we're having a look at Google Keep and we're looking at Todoist. We want to know what they offer and why you should be using them. So let's check them out. Alright, so looking at Google Keep now, Google Keep stands out as a versatile note-taking solution with very impressive functionality that integrates seamlessly across the Google ecosystem. It's a very lightweight design which prioritizes speed and accessibility while offering powerful organizational tools. Some of the features include the quick capture. So this allows you to create notes in multiple formats, including plain text, checklists, images, and voice recordings, which is perfect for capturing ideas on the go in whatever format you need to do it in. You can also work seamlessly with Google Drive for storage, Gmail for saving emails as notes, and Google Calendar for synchronizing your reminders. It also has a visual organization system. So it has color code notes for visual categorization and the ability to add labels to create a customized organizational system that fits within your workflow. It also features smart reminders, so you can actually set location-based alerts that trigger when arriving at specific places, or even schedule time-based reminders for future tasks. Google Keep usability and accessibility includes their streamlined interface, which emphasizes speed and simplicity, as I mentioned before, making it an exceptional platform that is accessible across all major systems. The thoughtful design enables frictionless note capturing, and this is regardless of the device that you're using. It is also consistent with its experience across Android, iOS, and web platforms with real-time synchronization, and it has a one-tap note creation on Android devices through the home screen widget, which allows you the quick access. It also has collaborative features which allow sharing notes with family members, colleagues, friends, or whoever you would like. And it has multiple input methods, including typing, voice memos, a doodle tool, which is great for sketching your ideas if you're one of those visual thinkers. It is also great for idea capturing, so it's perfect for brainstorming sessions, capturing fleeting thoughts before they disappear. The minimal interface reduces friction when your inspiration strikes. It's ideal for creating shopping lists or grocery lists with shareable checklists that can be accessed by family members in real time. This is going out to all the ladies there that send their husbands to the store without a list. You should probably be using Google Keep. It is also particularly valuable for anybody that is deeply integrated into Google's services, leveraging connections with Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and of course a bunch more. While Google Keep excels at quick notes and visual organization, it is not designed for complex project management or detailed task tracking, which may require more advanced features, and this is definitely something to note. Having a look at Todoist. So Todoist's core functionalities include task organization. So you can actually create a structured hierarchy with projects, sections, and tasks. You can also assign priority levels and set precise due dates for each time. It also has nested projects for complex workflows, 4-level priority system with a color coding system, and you can actually type tasks using everyday language like submit report every Friday at 3 p.m. or something like that. And Todoist actually automatically pairs dates, times, and reoccurrence patterns. It understands more than 14 languages, it recognizes relative dates and recurring patterns, and it has a great integration ecosystem. So you can actually connect with more than 60 popular productivity tools, including calendar apps, communication platforms, file storage services, and literally a ton more. This may include Slack, Dropbox, Google Calendar, and additional to that, it has API access for more custom integrations. You can see Todoist also has productivity power tools. So it is available on more than 10 platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and a browser extension. You can also visualize progress with a daily or weekly goal completion metric and productivity trend. It also helps you to save time with reusable project templates for recurring workflows and processes. And you can create personalized views with their complex query filters to focus on specific task subsets. It also has a karma system, so it's got a gamified productivity scoring that rewards consistency and task completion. Let's have a look at some of their target users and their strengths. So, project managers. It is ideal for professionals handling multiple projects simultaneously. The hierarchical structure supports complex task dependencies and team coordination across various initiatives. It also enables seamless task delegation and progress tracking for teams. You can share projects, comments, and activity logs, which foster accountability and a clear, better communication among your team. It is perfect for individuals juggling complex schedules. Natural language processing also allows quick entries of tasks with sophisticated scheduling patterns like every third Monday or next quarter, which is great. You can really customize it, and it can scale effectively from personal task management to an enterprise level project coordination, which makes it great for anybody that is using just their basic features, as well as anybody that is requiring more advanced features. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, as I always say, make sure that you're using these products and testing them with your own circumstances, your own scenarios, and figuring out which one works best. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.